How to fix X or Twitter post aren't loading right now problem. So if you want to fix X, Twitter post are not loading right now problem, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your X application. After opening your X, as you can see that my posts are loading because I have a stable internet connection. So if you're facing a problem with post, then it means you don't have an internet connection or you don't have a stable internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can go with the X, tap and hold on to it, and go with the app info. Under app info, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, you can go back and you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, whichever device you are using. Go with search, and under search, you need to search for either X or Twitter. Now here, if you have any updates, then you just need simply go and update the application. And after updating, your problem will be fixed. You can restart your device, and that's it. Open up your X after that and it will load all of your posts. That's how you can fix your X or Twitter post aren't loading right now problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.